Welcome students. In previous lecture, we discussed about different cybersecurity problems and why we need information security. So in order to achieve information security, we need some strategies. And in that lecture, we more focusing on cybersecurity strategies and problem intervention strategies such as redundancy, diversity, and autarky, which helps to protect your information. Cybersecurity strategies, in that case, first strategy is creating a secure cyber ecosystem. As we know that in cooperation with the many government agencies, some individuals, and other organizations working with the help of devices such as laptops, computers, mobile phones, etc. etc. for the numerous reasons. This strategy explores idea of strong ecosystem where all the cyber devices can work together to prevent from cyber attacks or find solution from cyber attack. Next cyber security strategy is creating an assurance framework. With the help of global security standard, this strategy design a framework by endorsing and enabling action with the help of critical infrastructure. It means that this strategy provides a support to your information with the help of global security standard in order to protect your information. The next security strategy is encouraging open standards. Standards play a significant role in defining how we approach information security related issues across a various geographical area and societies. Open standards are also encouraged to enhance the efficiency of key process. Open standard also enable a system of incorporations. This will also provide a medium for users to measure new product or services. This also organizes the approach to arrange new technologies or business models, and it also interpret a complex environment and endorse economic growth. Next cybersecurity strategy is strengthening the regulatory framework. As we know that there is a change in a technology or technological changes is increased day to day. So if you have to tackle with the new security threats, you must have to focus on research and development in a cyber security. So this strategy provides promotion of research and development in a cybersecurity, as well as developing human resource through education and different training programs. It also provides help to develop 24 by 7 support mechanism to deal with the cyber threat. And in crisis management, computer emergency response team is also developed with the help of this strategy. Next strategy is creating mechanisms for IT security. There are different approaches in the particular strategy. First approach is link oriented measures. Suppose that you are transferring data from one node to another node. One is the source and another one is the destination. Data goes from the source and come to the destination. But irrespective of the source and destination, this link oriented measure provide security for your data while transferring. The next approach is end-to-end measure. As you are using WhatsApp, sometimes there is a prompted message like end-to-end encryption is available. It means from source to destination, while your data is going to be travel, that data is secured. It is a medium for transferring protocol data units in a protected manner. In other words, we can say that data from source to destination is traveled in a protected manner in end-to-end measure. Next approach is association oriented measure. This measure is a modified set of end-to-end measures that protect every association individually. The next approach is data encryption. The data encryption provides encoding and decoding the messages. While data is sending from the sender, it is encoded, and at the receiver end it will be decoded with the help of appropriate algorithm. If you are not a authorized person, you cannot read it. So if the data loss will be happen, there is no need to afraid, because no one can read your data without an appropriate algorithm. So this also provides a security to your information while it is traveling over the digital space. The next cybersecurity strategy is securing e-governance services. E-government or electronic government refers to use of information and communication technology by government bodies for the following reason: to make efficient delivery of public service or services, refining internal efficiency, easy information exchange among the citizens, organization and government bodies, and a restructuring of administrative processes. Unfortunately, in India, e-governance is very poor. So we have to work over that to improve the e-governance services in India. Next, protecting critical information infrastructure. This policy or this strategy defines their existing cybersecurity bearing, defining their objectives for cybersecurity, categories and priorities, chances for development within a framework of constant process, and communicate with the all investors about the security. It means this policy, this strategy provide a framework of constant process, and it also communicate with the all investors about a cyber security, how to improve a cyber security, how to implement a cyber security within the information infrastructure. According to that, now we have a problem intervention strategies. Along with these strategies, there are also three types of problem intervention strategies which also provides a information security or cyber security. The strategies are redundancy, diversity, and attack. Before starting, before explaining the meaning of redundancy, diversity, and autarky, we will go for a meaning of word intervention. I will give one example. Suppose someone is intentionally involved or purposefully involved into a specific situation or a problem in order to solve it, it is called as a intervention. So for example, some people opposes military intervention in civil war. It means that military intentionally involved into civil war and it is not acceptable by some peoples. So intervention means the action of becoming intentionally involved in a difficult situation in order to improve it or prevent it from getting worse. The next, meaning of strategy. As we discussed before, there are different strategies for different organizations, and every organization must follow that strategy to achieve a specific goal. According to that, strategy means a plan of action designed to achieve a long-term or overall aim. For example, Team India designing a powerful strategy to win. So for winning purpose, Team India must follow these kinds of policies that is developed for the specific aim. So intervention strategies in cybersecurity. Stronger policies that gives you an improvement in the current environment, that gives you a systematic process of assessment and planning to tackle with the cybersecurity problems. It's called as intervention strategies in cybersecurity. In that case, first cyber security intervention strategy is redundancy. Suppose that we have a different type of information stored at a server. Server is a computer system who serves a different functions. So in a cyber system, if the server get crashed, all the information which is stored over the server is lost. Is will be sorry will be lost. So to avoid such kind of crisis or crashes, or in such a situation, redundancy provides you a multiple resources that serves the same function and can replace each other in the event of the loss of primary system resources. So this is the good example in disaster management. The next problem intervention strategy is diversity. Diversity refers to the change in the things. In order to use cybersecurity, diversity refers to change in the cyber attacks. As technological changes are there, cyber a type of cyber attacks also changes. Hackers finding a new loopholes in a security system to enter. And to tackle with the new security issues, we have to think diversely. And for that purpose, this policy helps to develop a team against internal and external threat to the information. With the diversity, we can build a passionate workforces who uses their experiences and understanding to tackling cybersecurity issues. The last problem intervention strategy is autarky. Autarky means absolute rules. This strategy helps us to make self-sufficient system which can secure from cyber attacks. Or these are the set of rules or policies designed to make system self-sufficient to prevent from cyber attack. It means that whenever the cyber attacks will perform, we have to adopt such kind of policy, we have to develop such kind of strategies related to the system which provide system itself to recover from that, or system itself to prevent from such kind of attack. This is called as autarky. So with this we completed a cyber security strategies and problem intervention strategies of cyber security. Thank you.